Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Timbo-Slice, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean up your filthy Legos. Now, if you're a Lego collector and live in California, I'm pretty sure your Legos have gotten really dusty, like mine. Rip to anyone that lives in California and collects Legos. But never fear, Timbo's here, and today my brother is going to be teaching you how to properly clean your Legos. Step 1, select a set that looks really filthy. And if you want, you could find any random minifigures that are dirty and you'd like to clean as well. Step 2, find a sink or a bathroom that you can use. It doesn't have to be in your house. It could be at like a 7-Eleven, McDonald's, Denny's. That's a fun bathroom. Just find a sink that you can use. Step 3, clean. So I decided to choose Kai's Prime Empire mech. Mine was pretty dusty, and I knew this set was already pretty small, so it wouldn't take too long to clean or dry. Ultimately, pretty much making this set the perfect demonstration. Now it's time for the cleaning. What you're gonna need is one makeup brush, some hand soap, and the good stuff, some dollar store toothpaste. And in honor of Johnny Depp's court case, we chose Tonto. Alright, so what you're gonna do is put some water on that brush, put some soap on it, then put some toothpaste on it, and then start scrubbing the minifig. What you're gonna do after is close your drain, then start rinsing your minifigure. After this step, grab your cup, put some soap in it, put some toothpaste in it, put some water on the brush again, then start mixing it in the cup. After that, grab your set and start scrubbing it. After that, rinse the set and drain the water. Once you're done with that, grab a towel and throw your Lego in there. I usually use a small hand towel to dry off all my Legos, but if you have like a normal one, it doesn't really matter. Honestly, whatever works, works. Alright, so here's the finishing product. As you can tell, the toothpaste made the set super shiny. The minifig also looks gorgeous as well. And of course, you know I had to put Tonto in the mech. Okay guys, this video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, like and comment. Yes, that's right, I'm a corporate YouTube channel. JK. I'm sorry for how late this video has come out, and I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep. So, bye.